Hello mga ka-selfie, I am Andrew Lacuachero and welcome back again to my channel, guys. In this video, I am going to share with you my experience on how I passed and get the approval in my first attempt on applying the Schengen visa, guys. I decided to vlog my journey of applying the Schengen visa, the step-by-step procedures on how I get my Schengen visa, because I know my friends, my followers, and like you guys, they're aiming also to get this precious visa that I believe this is one of the hardest visa to get. So without a further ado, here are the step-by-step procedures on how to get the Schengen visa. First of all, guys, before I started collecting and complying the visa requirements, I researched on the internet on who are the Schengen countries who has the high approval rate for Schengen visa. And I was actually surprised because since I was little, I dreamed to come to this country and to explore their history, culture, their amazing tourist destination, and actually it's France. That's why I decided to apply in France. I have here the Schengen visa checklist requirements, guys, and I believe these are the recent requirements because I just got my Schengen visa today. So number 1, a duly completed and signed Schengen visa application form. So I will just put the link of this in the description below, and 2 passport size photographs. I have here the example as well, the recent photo that you have. Number 2, valid passport including travel history. Because travel history, it's a proof for you for having a good travel record of following the policies and procedures of the country you've been visiting before, and if you have no travel record of overstaying in the country. So that would be best. Number 3, comprehensive travel insurance with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euro. Next, number 4, flight reservations. It should be confirmed flight reservations to call this one to the point of country of entry. Then, number 5, hotel bookings for the duration of my stay in France. Employment certificate number 6, employment certificate from my company with a company stamp and stamped by Chamber of Commerce. Next is my Iqama translation, English translation, because it's written in Arabic, and Iqama, that's my residence ID here in Saudi Arabia. It's a proof that I'm legally working in Saudi Arabia, and it's written there my profession as well. Then number 8, copies of my passport and copies of my Iqama, 1 copy only each. And number 9, exit re-entry visa. So it needed because that's a proof that you are coming back to your country of origin as well. You can take it from your company if you are working in Saudi Arabia or any other country. That's also valid. Number 10, financial documents demonstrating my economic stability, which is including the bank certificate and recent bank statement for 6 months. They needed 6 months. Then number 11, a detailed itinerary for my trip to France, the daily itinerary that I have. So I wrote it in detail. Then number 12, a cover letter. A cover letter stated your purpose of travel, and if you need example of cover letter, you can search it on the internet. There's a lots of example of travel letter. Just edit it as per your purpose. Then next, you need to have the VFS appointment letter. You have to go to the site, and I will put it also the link in the description below so that you can open it, as well as the VFS location because I'm applying in the Dammam Eastern Province here in Saudi Arabia. So I will put also the link of the location, so for those who are here, they can easily search it. I believe that's all. So that would be all for the Schengen visa checklist requirements they needed. I suggest and I advise, guys, if you are not confident enough to process your own requirements, you can ask for some visa assistance center which is nearby the VFS locations, and they are legit actually. So these are the expenses which I paid. Insurance 130 Saudi riyals, just converted into Philippine peso times 15. 1 Saudi riyal equivalent to 15 pesos. Then they booked me for the appointment in VFS worth 115 Saudi riyals. Today they booked me, and tomorrow I have the time for the slot, what time I have to come. So you have to select your time at your convenience. Then once you will go to VFS, so show up before at least 15 minutes before your time, and Don't forget, don't bring bags, don't bring gadgets like Wi-Fi or router. Don't bring also power bank because it's not allowed. They will not allow you to bring it inside. Then inside, they will ask you if you want your visa application premium or standard. Standard, it's worth 498 Saudi riyals I paid. That's what I selected. It's included the visa fee and the Aramex courier. And for premium, it's around 700 Saudi riyals. So there's a difference on the services on that. So I selected the standard, by the way. And then inside, in the counter, of course, they will give you the, call this on the slip. Then you will get inside. You will go to the counter. It will shows in the monitor. And so one by one, they will call you to pass all your requirements. Then after that, they will call you for the biometrics. So biometrics, there are some questions that they will ask based on your identity. And that's it. Then they will give you the long receipt. You will give it to the, you will show it to the Aramex courier because they will take you the details, and that would be all, guys. So it takes 5 days for me and 3 working days, 2 weekends and 2 weekdays. So after that, VFS notified me that after 3 days that my passport already dispatched to the Aramex courier, and it takes 2 days also from the courier to reach it with me because it was processed actually in Riyadh. It's 4 hours away from the mom. So it reached to me after 2 days, and of course, I'd like to hear your experience. What are your experience in processing your visa? Schengen visa, and let's talk about it in the comment section. If you have any questions, clarifications, and comments, guys, so don't hesitate to just comment below and let's talk about it. So I'm going to share with you guys my experience and my unboxing. My happiest moment, it's like I got my diploma, my masteral, my doctorate diploma when I received my passport. It's actually, you know, I'm afraid maybe I got rejected. I'm not sure. It's mixed feelings. So here is it. 3.
Signature here?
Yes. I'm actually vlogging. We're here?
Yeah.
1 minute clear. It's okay. Done.
Here you go.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Shukran. So I got it, guys. Hello guys, so we're going to unbox now our Aramex for our Schengen visa, and we are here in Sheraton lobby. Of course, Pangalakasan. So start. So we're going to open it now. Lapit-lapit ka, Ronnie. Oh my god. Parang, ay, may papel, Rolly, may papel. Ito na.
Ay, putik na yun.
So,
Ay!
parang walang papel.
Wala.
Oh. So, ito na yung Schengen visa natin, guys. I-open na natin ngayon.
Dito wala ba?
Wala. I-focus mo ako. Oh, shit.
Shit na
Walang papel, Rolly, walang papel.
Approve yan.
Walang papel. Walang papel, promise.
Approve.
Oh my
Approve yan. Hanapin mo dyan yung Schengen visa mo.
Kinabahan ako. Oh shit, perfect. I saw it. Rolly, approve.
Oh my
I
god.
got it.
Congratulations. Oh,
I got it.
Shit. Yes.
Oh, thank you so much in behalf of myself, of course. Thank you so much to Eman, to Rolly for the support, Mubarak, and everyone. Mr. Bader, Suhaib, then who else? Jan Paul, Rolly, and everyone. Parang ano, maiyak ako.
Oh, umiyak ka lang. Huwag kang mahiya.
Maiyak ako. Diyos ko, Lord. I got it.
Flex mo na maayos. Flex mo na maayos.
I got it.
Isigaw mo dito.
Ayoko din. Nahiya ako. Nandito tayo guys sa lobby ng Sheraton actually. And I got it. So thank you so much guys. Thank you for the help and support. So that would be all for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.